Land and Savannah. It's George Frank, David Victor, Adam Paul. It's Black Ford.
So what's your car? Stay off the other, he's not stopping. We're on the 1037.
1037, Portsmouth.
45 secondary. We're on Utica, Utica 48, Utica South 17. We're going to come back to Jenny Lynn. Go back on First quick now. Highway go. Highway go. Rest out, rest out. Rest out, highway go.
Hands! Hands up! Hands! Get out! Get your fucking ass
Step out!
Right now. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Back! Hands out! The car! Right now! Keep them there! You got a passenger over there? Yep. Alright, keep your hands on the car!
Good job. Bricked out. He hit an innocent bystander's vehicle. No one's involved in it. The tag he hit is Arkansas 423828. You're about as dumb as they get, you know that? Yeah. Can't drive worth a shit either, you know that? That
6 is 10-4. 10-4. Ten 15 2 Tom, release the Tom, please. 10-4, net clear 518. H6 is 10-4. H40, Portsmouth, I'll be 10-7. Simple. You call H6. 10-4, he's been advised, he's on the radio.
That's it. Okay. Oh, hold on.
I listen to the whole thing.
Sit on down.
Works by 28.
Handicap tag 423-828, 423-828. Just spread and hold that, please. He crashed into it. It was parked. Nobody's inside.
34 on right down to that 9 of that. Special everything. Can you give me the OTA when you got a second?
Yeah, 41 on the radio.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Two 20266 Adam St. Paul, 20266 Adam St. Paul.